Hi traders, Anthony here looking at Ethereum. What I want to do with the video is show you how to find high probability trade setups and essentially how to trade successfully. We had the alert fired, it was on the 1 minute chart, Ethereum USD, and we had an alert down here. It was this breakout alert, basically, that's what it was here. That fired and that brought me into the chart. I'm looking for shorts, and the reason why I'm looking for shorts is if we have a look, there's a few things telling me why I should be shorting this. First of all, on the daily, see the trajectory on the currency strength indicator. See how everything's heading south? All the cryptos here, these altcoins, are bearish. They're all heading south. We have these three lines here. So this is the median or the mean on this indicator. We have this line here is telling us that the market's overextended. So we could expect potentially the full, the reverse. It's overextended down here, trades up. Okay, so it's going to work between these two levels more or less. Now, when we get across of this mean here, it's generally a great opportunity to trade with the momentum. We've got momentum behind it. Okay, there's a bit of history here. Let's go with it. And then what I'm looking for is on the lower time frame, I'm looking for the red breakout signals on the 1 minute. We've had the red breakout on the daily, pull back short, but yeah, I'm going for the red breakouts on the 1 minute. So the other thing that backs up my argument to short this is over here on the 1 hour. Let's just open this up. See my higher time frame indicator down here. It's telling me that on the weekly, well, predominantly this is bearish. We've got the weekly down the bottom, then the daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. Okay, I want the majority of these to be red, and the stronger, the better. I'll show you what we're looking for on the lower time frame. I'll just mark out this signal right here, and then let's take it out to the 1 hour. See how we have these lines here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. The middle one is the mean, and we can see how this is trading under the mean here. Pulls back, retest, fails, pulls back, retest, fails, pulls back, fails. Then we can see the weakness here in the price action. Retest, fails. I'm looking for an opportunity to short this following this trajectory here. So this rolling over here is giving me reason to short. I'm not going to short this if we get a breakout signal, a bearish breakout signal after this line here. So if we get a bearish breakout signal somewhere in here, I'm most likely going to let it go. What I want to see is the pullback into the mean, and I'm looking for breakout signals anywhere from this line back into the mean here. That's where I want to see the bearish signal, the bearish breakout signals on the lower time frame. Hope that makes sense. So you don't want to be shorting this when it's overextended. You want to be shorting this when it pulls back in. So our short was here. We can take a short any time after. See where it's pulled back in here? Any time after here. And if you took every red triangle on the 1 minute chart after this, you'd be well and truly in the money and you'd be building your position. So let's just do that. Let's have a look now on the 1 minute. We've marked that. Where is that line on the 1 minute? It's here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is clean this up, and then we're going to pull this line through again. See how it's pulled back on the 1 hour chart here? It's pulled back, so we're waiting for a short. We don't know when to enter, so we have to let the market invite us in. And so when we open this up, we've got the go ahead on the higher time frame. So now we're looking for, that would have been an opportunity. So we're going to go in on the pullback into the mean on the lower time frame. I hope this is making sense. Watch my other videos. There's the pullback into the mean here. You could short it there. Okay, so that's one opportunity. So we know on the 1 hour chart that this is favorable. The 1 minute's going to be up and down, so we're going to get bullish and bearish breaks. We're only looking for the bearish breaks. There's another one right here, and there's your short. Okay, so you could be building your positions short from these signals on the 1 minute chart, given the higher time frame is bearish. This is today's trade. There's the pullback. I got in a little bit late. I prefer to get in right on the pullback into the mean. There it is there. Anyway, I got in a bit late. And now we're managing. See, I've taken my 80%. We're $70 in the money, and I'm managing this on the higher time frame now, giving this plenty of room to breathe. That's pretty much it, guys. Gain access to my indicators. Give it a 7-day trial. Absolutely free. Try it out. Link is below the description. In fact, we'll go over to Telegram. This was the trade signal I posted. Short it. Okay, Ethereum sell, and then the follow-up. Close 80%. Guys, I'd like to invite you to come over to my website. It's tradingwithanthony.com. Click on the store. You gain access to the indicators, my tutorials, private VIP Telegram, daily market reports, trade signals, trade ideas. It won't be billed today. It starts in 7 days. And then you have full control through your PayPal account. So with that, I'll wrap up the video. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and look forward to seeing you in Telegram.